Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Varnes, and Zorex International has hired me to help you with your practice. I've created a lot of marketing materials that are available to practices for free to help them grow. And it occurred to me after I did my last video that some of you might want to just free up some time, especially people who are really good with nutrition. They spend a lot of time talking to their patients and that. And I've got a lot of the marketing materials will save you time. This isn't going to be about marketing, but I'm going to talk a bit about internal marketing because some of the same things in internal marketing, which putting your stuff in your waiting room, will help educate your patients and save you time. And it centers around your waiting room. You want to throw out your magazines and People magazines, drug ads, only materials about your practice. And if you're busy enough, then that would be educational materials, newsletters, and things like that. And also materials that can get your patients started on a program you might want to do. And I had an epiphany, a number of years ago when I found out that 10% of what I know fixes 90% of the patients. Like I didn't have to sit down and, okay, how are we going to fix your microbiome and how are we going to fix your adrenals and all that kind of stuff. And if you're still fixing individual systems, it's kind of a medical approach, okay? Most chronic disease is self-inflicted, and nutritional therapy is literally as easy as telling somebody hitting himself with a ball peen hammer to stop. Natural healthcare fix infrastructure. Like if you're giving drugs, drug for ADHD, Ritalin isn't going to do any good for arthritis, um, isn't going to do any good for IBS, so on. But if you're doing natural health care, if you're giving essential fatty acids for ADHD, hey, guess what? That works for arthritis and not so bad for IBS. If you're giving curcumin for arthritis, it's actually good for your IBS patients too. If you're giving glutamine for IBS, it's not going to bother your ADHD or your arthritis patients. The idea is you don't have to be as specific with nutrition as you do with medicine. Well, this slide isn't important unless you want to grow your practice. This is something that you would put in your front window if you're street level or in your waiting room to attract people to begin a wellness program. But that's not what the wellness program is about for you guys. Okay, the reports are okay. It takes absolutely no time. It's a 4-page handout. You hand it to the patient. Okay, remember Weston Price, Nutrition and Physical Degeneration. Google him. The American Diets was making everybody sick. Okay, this booklet has all your nutritional suggestions built into it. It's customizable. I will customize it for you. Okay, and I'm not sure if you're familiar with Shiraskin Circle, but I have a video explaining that. It's called "How Natural Healthcare Works" or "Why Natural Healthcare Works" or something like that. It's one of my channel videos. Check that out because you really don't have to be as specific as you think you do. I can get you practice newsletters. It's 2 pages. It looks like it came from you. Each addresses a single health issue. This is something that can help you educate your patients. The more they know that you don't have to sit there and tell them, saves you time. This is another one with the special report as a marketing slide. It actually, if you're a musculoskeletal chiropractor, you get people started with nutrition, that sort of thing. Quizzes and assessments, once again, a marketing tool. Although I'm putting out material right now, I got SIBO and testosterone, low testosterone. We got questionnaires and we got handouts and reports. It's a whole program in one, and it's turnkey, so it'll save you time. And I'm going to be producing more all the time. Once again, more marketing stuff. I've got a lot of experience with marketing, 35 years in an all cash practice. Feel free to contact me. I want to help you grow your practice, and Zorex International is paying me to do it. So it's paulgvarnes@gmail.com. Phone number 773-519-0007. If you're new to Zorex, use PV10 for free shipping. Okay. And thank you. I know your time is valuable.